Guys, just a quick rehearsal. Sige, picture muna. We will having a quick rehearsal for a surprise dance number for the couple. Okay, medyo tumuruan ko lang kayo. Nag-warm up na tayo. Guys, tayo naman tayo dito.
Oh, tayo daw. Tayo.
Beautiful people. Let us all stand. I'll be teaching you.
Dito lang tayo.
Dance number. Para i-surprise natin si MJ at Richmond pagpasok nila ng hall mamaya. Sino dito ang mga nurses? Nurses, mag-ingay?
Yeah!
Alam na alam nyo to. Ginagawa natin araw-araw. And everyone, during the COVID pandemic, ginagawa natin to during the COVID pandemic.
Ano yun?
Yes, bagong sayaw. So, I'll be teaching you the COVID precaution dance. Okay? So, tayo po tayo dito. Galaw-galaw po para hindi pumanaw. Tayo po tayo. Galaw-galaw po para hindi pumanaw. Ayan. Very good po. Ayan.
Ay, dito. Sel, dito ka. Tayo, Galaw-galaw daw para hindi sumakit yung ano. Ayun, sasayaw daw.
Simple lang po tayo. Simple lang yung sayaw natin para po sa bagong kasal. Our first step is hand washing. Okay? That's hand washing. Again?
1, 2, 3.
So after hand washing, you put your mask on. Okay? Put your mask on.
Tissue paper.
Oh, di ba?
After
COVID daw,
putting your
COVID.
mask on, we need to observe social distancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, we need to check our temperature. 1 and wave. 1 and wave. So 4 simple steps. Okay? Let's start with hand washing.
Sunod lang.
Mask on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Social distancing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and temperature. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, kailangan may tugtog.
Oh, may tugtog na. Copyright guys. Copyright guys.
Some music, please.
Oh, di ba?
Isa pa ba? One more time. One more time. Balik mo pa, netong pa. Netong pa. Isa pa daw. Isa pa daw dito sa chance na to. Give chance. Balik niyo mo magsayaw. Okay na. Isa pa. Sige, pagbigyan natin guys. Clap your hands. Come on. Are you proud of her? Are you proud of her? No? But later on, definitely. Okay, loud and proud. I got you.